What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. Today is Wednesday, October the 11th, 2023. The first thing I want to do today is talk about a platform, well, actually an opportunity to be involved with a PAM account that has been doing pretty well, has been definitely giving gains, and we haven't talked about it a whole lot, but it is something that we do have a foothold in, and we do have a journey in, and we're going to talk about it today. Before we get started in automated capital, I want to remind all of you that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. All right. I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I'm cranking out that crypto in many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less than that. Now, if you like this content, hit subscribe. And if you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, just hit the notification bell as well. And please, sir, please, ma'am, don't get scammed by the WhatsApp, man, because if he gets you, there's nothing I can do to help you. Stay diligent and vigilant in this space and in the comment section as well. Let's go ahead and jump into the Telegram group here. And I'm going to go back a little bit. I'm really going to start with their weekly recap of last week. That's where I want to start today. For those of you that can't see that, they talk about the weekly recap every week. They also do daily recaps every day, talking about their trades for the day, what's still trading. If there is a part of their PAM that is still in trading, they let you know. They've talked about what it's done year to date. All of that stuff is right here, so it's pretty cool. And they have been doing pretty well. The weekly recap for Euro USD was 7%, and the cross pairs was 4.85%. So that's pretty good for both of those accounts. Now, there's one account that I'm not seeing on here, and I'm wondering if they have made an announcement on it recently. Let's see. They talked about their monthly report. I'm not sure if we spoke on this. For the month of September, they did 13.53%. In their Euro USD, and in their cross pairs, they did 10.22%. That's worth clapping up. All right, for a month, that's pretty good. Okay, we definitely have some platforms on the docket right now that have performed less than that. Even with the previous month in August, we've definitely seen some platforms perform at a less percentage than that for the month. So that's not bad. All right. They have some losing days. They have some winning days. You know what I'm saying? They have different things going on. Let's see. Here's where they talked about their US 30, right? This is what I was trying to bring up. It says, you'll notice that we don't have any results for US 30 today. Unfortunately, the strategy took a catastrophic loss over the last few days, which we cannot recover from. With that being said, we will no longer be offering US 30 as a strategy for now or taking on any new investors for it. We felt it had enough back testing to be added to our list of strategies, but we were wrong. We will be back testing the strategy over more historical data and then forward testing to make sure that we are dialed in on the risk and overall behavior of the EA moving forward. Apologies to anyone who have incurred a loss, but we hope to fix these problems and add it back in the future in much more robustness and consistency. Then they quote, it's not how hard you get hit and then get up. It's how many times you get hit and keep going. So at least they're being upfront about their losses. This was on the 28th of September. I'm not exactly sure if I've even done an AC video since then. Definitely don't think I've mentioned this. But one of the things that I like to see from automated capital is them do exactly what that quote says, honestly, just to keep on fighting through. Honestly, there's going to be losses in this space. There are going to be times where things don't perform as we thought. There's always going to be a risk in this space. And one thing that we have done here at BOJ is accepted that risk, regardless of whatever we get in here in this space. All right. So they've been continuously having some pretty good days, 4.27% day on the 3rd of October as we go on down. Then they had some news on the 5th. Euro USD only now, again, the top performing system in Finesse FX, 11 weeks since we launched. That's pretty cool. So they have the top performing PAM account, top performing system with their Euro USD. Cross pairs was only 8th, but now in 6th place, 10 weeks since we've launched that. We have an announcement coming this weekend, so pretty cool. As we scroll down here, and of course, anyone that is involved with automated capital, I definitely suggest you get involved or at least take a gander, right, at the automated capital Telegram group. Let's see here. A brand new strategy, the Continental EA, all right, trading major and cross pairs. So that on the 8th of October, a few days ago, announced that they are going to be introducing a new strategy. They also wanted to share a brief message from the developer, who then says, hello, everyone. I thought it would be a good idea to say hello to you, as I am the one behind Continental MAM. I've known the owner for well over a decade, as we've previously done business together, and I'm excited that he wants to bring me on board. I've been trading for almost 5 years now. My first year went well, but then I was quickly humbled by the markets. The following few years were very back and forth as I was learning what to do, but more importantly, what not to do. Last year, I changed my trading approach and then recruited a good friend to program and automate my strategy. My strategy is not a cash flow strategy, but rather one that aims to earn investors a safe 40 to 50% annual return. After several months of back testing, we did a 1 month stress test, made some revisions, and then began forward testing in late May with an average win of win rate of 83%. We have not had a losing month since. This is a MAM where you can sleep easy at night, and I look forward to serving you guys. So 40 to 50% annual return. If we're doing our math on that, of course, that's better than a bank is going to give you, right? So that's always in the realm of possibility. And because we can, of course, fund our accounts with cryptocurrency, that makes it a part of the realm of possibility. 40, let's just say on the low end, 40 divided by 12, that's 3.33% a month. And if we were at 50%, that's around 4.16% per month. All right. So very, very modest gains. And of course, with it being a strategy that says it's been back tested, but we haven't back tested it yet. We'll see, whether we get involved with that one or not. This says this will be a $500 minimum investment to get started with the Continental AI. So we'll bring more news on that as we decide whether we're going to get involved with that or not. Don't know that it's moving fast enough for what we want to do on our portfolio. However, $500 worth of risk is not bad, right? And we're talking about something that hopefully that will last for a long time. Even if it's 40 or 50% a month, it's better than 40 to 50% a year. It's better than some banks are going to give you. Most banks, mostly all banks. All right. I don't see any banks doing 3% on your money a month. Could be wrong, but either way, they continue to put up daily reports, which is good. It's everyone's prerogative whether they want to be involved with automated capital or not. This is something that I have decided that I was going to have a foothold in. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to see if I can't log into the back office of my account, kind of look at where my balances are right now as we speak. All right. And then I'll be out of here. This is a opportunity that has come to us and has been performing. And for the most part, I'll say the US 30 account doing what it did, is it is what it is. It happens. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and look at my investments here. See if we can load the data. Still loading. I'll wait until it comes up, and hopefully it comes up in a short enough time that I don't have to ramble too long. Or you can just fast forward through this video. And maybe it's the system having an error today. I'll go ahead and show you what I see at least, so you guys can see what the broker looks like, the back office. This is the back office of Finesse FX. And right now, I would usually see where my active investments are right there. Let's see if I can bypass it somehow. It could just be that the back office or Finesse FX is going through some changes, or they're trying to update some things, and it's just not moving as fast as we would like it to. However, we're still paying attention to our accounts here. Of course, these are the deposits that I've made. Let's see if I can get my account to show something. It's still loading. So anyway, we're not going to spend a whole lot of time waiting on that. Just wanted to bring you guys some information that a lot of you probably could have seen already or have seen already, but just wanted to bring an update to let you guys know where we are. Sucks to hear about the US 30, honestly, but we continue to move forward. We'll see what the rest of the accounts can continue to do. This is supposed to be a long-term play for us anyway, so we're kind of we've started with risk capital capital we were willing to lose in the beginning. But of course, we have to be smart. And if things start to tank too quickly, then we have to be paying attention to it. However, we don't want to miss out on the opportunity of gains and growth as well. So we're going to sit back and for now, we're going to just pay attention to what automated capital does in its different accounts. And being a part of it is quite honestly easier for me than trading, because that's not what I have the bandwidth for, just honestly. Now, I don't shun trading because obviously I'm involved in some trading, but doing the trading myself is not where I am right now. And, some people may have different opinions on that. A lot of people tell me, hey, bro, you got to learn how to trade. I said, well, maybe when that day comes, I'll do that. But as far as what I got going on right now in my life in general, I just don't have the time. And there's a lot of you that are like me, that you may not have the time. And you find opportunities like this and you say, hey, this may be better than me trying to sit here and attempt to trade myself. So with that being said, put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you, and all your wallets, because crypto is indeed the wild, wild west, y'all. If you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. Ask me how I know. It is not very fun at all. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, just make sure you hit the notification bell as well. And please, sir, please, ma'am, don't get scammed by the WhatsApp man, because if he gets you, there's nothing I can do to help you. All right. Stay diligent and vigilant in this space and in the comment section as well. All right. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.